Hey everyone, I just wanted to do a quick video to show you how to mobilize your upper back using a foam roll. This feels great if you've got any kind of tightness there. You know, if you've got that pain, that burning, aching pain when you're standing doing the dishes or cooking, something where you're kind of bent just a little bit through the upper back. This just helps to stretch everything out and mobilize everything. Something you can do yourself. Also check out my video for actually a shoulder mobility series, but it helps to mobilize that upper back as well, just to open up and get the arms moving and the whole chest opening and moving. So check out that video as well for some more exercises on how to use the foam roll to help keep everything moving in that upper body. So check it out. Here's the foam roll for your upper back. Okay, so here's a technique you can do to mobilize your upper back using a foam roll. So I'm going to place it kind of lower on my upper back right now. I'm going to put my hands behind my head to support my neck, and then I'm just going to roll up and down. I've already gotten a couple cracks there. So I'm just going to roll up and down a few times just to get things moving. And then if I find some spots that are sore or feel tighter, I'm going to stop and then drop my hips down and extend my head and neck back. And I'll usually do 2 or 3 reps there, and I'll usually move up a little bit, segment or 2, and kind of do the same thing to really get those stretched out and mobilized. Back up 1, and then I'll just go back through and roll. And that really gets everything moving really nicely through that upper back. So there you go. Now you know how to mobilize your upper back yourself using a foam roll. Subscribe, like, share with your family and friends. Thanks for watching.